So this is the Japanese yew Podocarpus. Got a first coat of tongue oil. And this is just some incredibly beautiful grain. Very rare. You don't find Podocarpus being offered. It's very hard to find a tree. It's often used as a hedge, but when it's developed into a tree, it's just a great piece of wood with lots of character, lots of beautiful features on the live edge, a lot of compression, rippling going on through here. That's from the forces of the weight being placed on the structure of the tree, and you get these little compression ridges. Adds a lot of dimension to the slab, and it translates into the grain, and the finish really brings that out. So you've got this smooth and flat showing in the grain, and then you've got this on the actual texture of the live edge on the outside. So just a really unique piece of wood.